Okay, we're you know we're trading the IPO Revolve, and LJPC took some short at 1338 when it broke the 1250. Let's see, I'm looking for 1250 for intraday trade. Revolve, um, we bought and sold. Uh, had quite a bit over here, but we kind of got chopped around. Let's see what I'm gonna do with the under 13. I'm gonna stay short. Let's see. This thing, the new IPO is almost 9 million shares. It looks like it wants to make a power move. Somewhere around 2860, I try to buy some. Oh, that was fast. It's like LJBC. Trying to again. It's a level where if it stays solidly above 13, I'm gonna cover. But otherwise, it should pull back. I normally don't trade two stocks at a time, but let's see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to buy some, but let's not. I'm not gonna chase it because uh, today so far, Docu $300, LJPC 879, Revolve 850, Zoom 1900, total of $4,000 before 12 o'clock. So Friday is usually my nemesis, but today it worked to my advantage. So I'm not looking to give anything back. So I'm not in a hurry to buy anything, especially when I had this thing at 25, 27. So if I miss the $1 move, I'm gonna let it go. Right now, my target on this one is LJPC. This thing I didn't know, but yesterday it was up quite a bit. Um, Let me see what it looks like. Okay, from $5 it went to 11. Then today it's up almost 14. So I'm looking for some profit taking, maybe pullback today. Uh, but again, my stop loss is I'm gonna cover $13. But if I get 1250, I'll take it. So Revolve is hovering at its high, which means what it could do a top blow off or it could pull back a little bit. So I like the what's happening with LGPC. Now, if your psychology of this stock right now is even though they had a stage two trial information, stock is up almost what 200%. So if you have bought some shares and you have some insights to hold it overnight, and I think this is a profit level, profit range. Whether it's gonna pull back or not, remains to be seen. People who bought this morning, $10, $11, that's another nice 20% profit. So you don't want to miss it, right? So fortunately, I was able to have some shorts to, have. So let's see, I'm making a little money. I'm gonna make sure that I keep the profit for the day. Usually, I don't want to trade too long on Fridays because, like I say, you can make money. Usually Fridays, I have losses, and and I create more losses. So today, I happen to make some money on few stocks. So I'm gonna try to end it that way. I'm gonna give myself until 12 o'clock, which is 20 more minutes. That's it. I might miss the afternoon move. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm good for today's results. How you guys doing? Uh, are you doing some trading? If you did, tell me. What you trade. So I'm gonna be doing, um, you know, live trading at least for an hour. I'm gonna try to. I normally trade from in the morning 8:30 to 11, but I'm gonna try to condense it so it's about 40 minutes long, maybe 1 hour. And those of you who's interested in how the stock trading is being done, take a look. It's got a lot of good information, I'm sure. No recaps, because recaps are, hindsight information. Anybody can do it. What you need is actual live trading, as if you were sitting right next to me, with all the emotions and planning. It's the best kind of education. Real money in play. And if this is the single best way to get into trading. You do some research, find somebody who's good at trading, and get the training that way. The best way. No books, because if you're book smart, it's not gonna make you a good trader. Looks like that was it. Yep. But I'm gonna still hold on to if 13, they're gonna blow up the 13. As long as 13 stays, I'm gonna stay the short. Above 13, I'm gonna have to. Looks like I have to do some covering. 1,075. So that was a good decision on Revolve not to get in. Look, he dropped $1. So I've been saying time after time, save your money on those training materials. If somebody's offering you a trading system, $3,000, $2,000, whatever. It's a waste. You could get all those information from the YouTube or other internet source. Best training you could find, is go to a trading firm and find somebody who's good and try to make a deal with that person, so that you can make a side by side tandem trading live. So if you're new, you don't have to go to standard learning curve, which is 2 to 5 years. You can make money from the day one, as long as you find that person where you could trade same thing that he's doing, of course on a smaller scale, because that person might be using 200, 300, $500,000 buying power. If you're using $30,000, you have $100,000 that you could move. I don't recommend you doing it by yourself because the leverage can be very lethal for new traders. So I'm gonna try to buy back, short more. Yeah. So for instance, let's say you're sitting right next to me. Let's say I do a screen sharing wherever you are, and you could do the same thing except smaller scale. So that if you buy 1,000 shares of this stock, and you can make money, and in 2 hours I think you can make $500 to $1,000 per day without having the knowledge, because all you're gonna be doing is learn how to put the stock amount and press a button, buy market, sell market, or limit, what have you. And over time, as you have a successful build up in profit, you get the education that way. It's like if you want to learn how to drive a tractor trailer, you're not going to learn from the books, right? You have to be actually get behind the wheel and start driving. I think now it's gonna break low, so I'm trying to take more shorts. Let's see. Wow, look at that. Revolve to $1.50. So that was a great decision not to get involved, mess around with that. That would have been a big give back. Now I'm watching closely what LJPC is gonna do. Come on, what can you give me in 15 minutes? Give it to me so I could pack up and go out, enjoy the day. It's 85 degrees outside right now. Go for a nice sushi. Standard routine on Fridays, especially when you make some money. It's good because that's one thing about trading. You never know what you're gonna make. Every day, every morning is brand new morning. What you did yesterday is irrelevant. Just like stocks. What stocks did yesterday is irrelevant. Every day is different. All right, give me some love. Again, my channel is catch a trade. The idea is catch a trade each day and make profit. This is my second live broadcasting on YouTube. I gotta learn how to do put it upload and things. I asked my friend who's a IT specialist to help me out. Then I guess eventually I get the hang of it, right? So if the upload is a little bit, screw up, try to be understanding. All right. Be right back. Okay, still holding patiently. I'm looking for a break of 1270. So let's see what they're trying to do. I would love to finish my day at 12 o'clock, but if I have to wait a few more minutes, I'll do that. Day trading can be very profitable business. It is a business, so you really have to prepare yourself. Uh, I know some people are curious to see how much money you need. My personal opinion, you need $30,000 to start. So you could buy 1,000 shares of mid cap stocks, and you could make $500 to $1,000 a day when traded properly. But not on your own. As a new person, you set up an account of 30,000, you blow it up in a month. So just like any business, you have to really prepare yourself. If you're short, don't start it. First thing is get the funds ready. You know, go work double jobs and save the money. Then while you're doing so, find a mentor. If you're curious as to find out how to find a mentor and what to do, if you're ready to trade, give me a message. Catchatrade@gmail.com, or you can leave me a remarks and I'll give you some info. It just broke. It's working now. So now next level is it's all down. The buyers are not gonna jump in right now. It's in a free fall, so they're gonna wait for it to consolidate. So I'm not in a rush to cover. So I'm gonna see where this thing falls. So now I'm in a solid profit. I told you 13 above 13. I would take the stop loss, but this is on a 1 minute. I don't like to look at 1 minute. It might bounce back up to 1260, 1270 level, but selling should resume. Now I'm looking at maybe the MAC is pointing down. I'm looking at maybe $12. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to put an order to cover just above $12. If I get it, that'd be great. That's a bonus. This, I could spend $100 out there for a very nice sushi right now for lunch. This happened within the last 3 minutes. So it's just possible that I might be done trading by 12 o'clock, which is 5 minutes ago. In 5 minutes, this thing could easily drop down to $12. Then there'll be for me. No rush to cover. This charts looking weak, so it might continue to go down. Oh, look at that. Revolve. It's at the high. So what does that mean? Does he want to go 230? Wow, that's a huge move. Okay, I guess I have no more buying power, but okay, that's fine. Yeah, it's really moving. Yeah, I mean, that's why I don't, when you're trading two stocks, it's hard to keep up, you know? So that's why I missed that revolve run. I bought it and made 50 cents. I sold it here, 28. I bought it here and sold it here, and even another dollar from there. I ended up chasing it. So now I'm gonna try to sell, and maybe I won't sell at 30. Maybe this thing could do one of those blow off. Maybe it'll go 30 and continue to run, because looks like it's almost sold all their shares allowed. I think it's 11 million shares they came out today. I think it's almost 11, and charts looking straight up. So it's possible that it could have a continued run. So no rush to sell on that one. I'd love to buy more, but I don't have any more buying power. So look at that. That's a big, thick candle, and that's a good sign. So usually when that happens, you could buy the pullbacks, or it's gonna continue develop a second. Wow, I need to buy more. Dang it. Let's see if I have a. Oh, I was able to buy 300. Okay, that's good. Now I have 800, and let's see whether it could run to. Just have some order out there, cause just in case. While I keep an eye on this particular one. Yeah, that's a really nice looking chart. You know, that's there's a trick to playing the IPO. Uh, I'll discuss that another time. But you know, IPO just gaps up, opens up high, it just keep going, and usually that's how it goes. The IPO price set at $10 and it opens down $9 and nobody wants to buy it. Yeah. So let's see. Looks like I'm a little bit under on this one. Yeah, still, you know, you came down to my break even. Uh, so not concerned. Just gotta. All right. So this thing is going up. So what I'll do is I'll do some covering, and I will reshort close to 13. Let's see how we're doing. Okay, not bad. I made a little bit of money before. It was 3,800. Now it's 4,400. Okay, profit for the day. So all right, not losing money. So if I get any any profit on this thing, I'll take it. But I'm not gonna try to lose money on it either. So if it gets to let's say 30, 30, 35, I'm gonna sell, take the profit. Some order out there at 30.80 just in case it has a blow off to the top. But I'll be looking to take profit along the way, and this will be done for the day. Otherwise, you get stuck here trying to make a little bit of money here and there. Yeah. So my trading setup is very simple. No charts, nothing, just a Mac and trading station. Buy market, sell market, limit. That's it. That's all you need. You don't need Bollinger Band, Scholastic. You don't need 20, 50 moving averages and all that nonsense. It only makes you complicated, make you confused. You end up looking at too much charts. That's gonna confuse you. It's gonna prohibit from you pulling the trigger. All right. It looks like it's blowing off to the top. Can I get 30, 80? Maybe. Okay, while that's happening, let's take a look at where's my stock? LGPC. Okay. Okay, get rid of it. Yes, it was bouncing, so I'll reconsider it at $13. But for now, let's go to revolve. I have an order out there at 30.45 level. Let's see if I get that. And that's 400 shares, half of what I got. Then rest, I'll see what happens. See if it has enough momentum to get to 31. You know, this stock's gonna trade like 14, 15 million shares today, which is a good sign because they offer only 11. So there's some interest in this particular stock. That's why it's got a nice movement. Okay, baby. I wanna go. I'm hungry. I wanna go eat something. Come on, give me my price, and so I could be done for the morning. See, this thing, the spread is 40 cents. So, if you press a market order, you're not going to get the good price. So, you always got to try to put the limit price up there just in case. I'm still okay from where I purchased it, 29.64. So, no big deal. Worst that's going to happen is I'm going to break even on the trade. But uh, my guess is it's gonna try to create a three candles. There's a first one, second one in the making, and it's on the ascending step. So, it should try to reach 30.50, maybe 31. Because people who bought this stock, 26, 27, they're not in a hurry to sell. They're holding it, which is a good sign. This is ideal for swing traders. These are the stocks that if you hold it overnight, and you could get even more, but that's only guessing. Uh, missed quite a bit. We missed this move, missed this move. That's almost what, 27? That's almost $3 move. We're trading over here, making little money and choppy. That's why the P&L for this thing is not that much. Because I was playing 2,000 shares. That should have been a lot more if I capitalized on it, but I didn't. You can't win every trade. Always gotta protect your capital. You know. Now look at this. See, I got rid of this. Oh, what happened over here? Oh no, this is rebar. See, I got rid of this in time because look, it's almost penetrating to back to 13 again. So just got 75 shares left. I want to try to get rid of that. I don't know why it's there. Good, so it's empty. Probably close to 13 is a good short, but I don't wanna I don't wanna stay here. I wanna get rid of finish my trading for the morning, because I've been trading since 8:30 this morning. I was playing ZM. Um, I was playing, where is it? ZM this morning. Made little money. Of course, I miss all this move. I I played here and I was getting choppy. If I held it, of course, that'd have been probably over $10,000. But it's hard when this happens. Even though I predicted that it was gonna have a rocket takeoff in the right after the opening, but I didn't maximize on it. But it's okay. What's another one that I did? What's another? Oh, Docu. Yeah, yeah, Docu. Docu had a bad earnings but it bounced from the low. Let's see what. Yeah, Docu. It's a shame because only $300, nothing to talk about. But this was a nice move on Docu. 44 to 48. That's 4 point move. That's almost 10%. Okay, yeah, it just took my 400 shares. It has a blow off to the top. So next level is gonna be close to 31. So I'm gonna sell close to 31 and I'll be done for the day. Is it gonna give it to me? Yeah, 30, yeah, 3090. They took it. Yeah, so that's it, you know. I had to wait 10 more minutes, but that worked out, and you know, that's it. I'm done for the day. Of course, you know, if it goes higher, it's okay. Let's see how I ended the morning. Okay, so Docu, we had $300. LJPC, $800. We have more there. We had like, but anyway. The IPO Revolve, 1800. Zoom, 1900. So total $5,000 for the day. Can't complain, right? You know, 4 hours of working. All right, guys, that's it. I'll try to upload this thing, and you know, if you have any questions, again, catchatrade@gmail.com. This is gonna be my second upload. I'm gonna be trying to upload, you know, once a day. Every morning trading, I'm gonna upload it so you guys can utilize it. Wow, this thing is really taking off now. But that's it. Otherwise, I'm gonna be end up here, continue working without lunch. Ciao. Have a nice weekend.